How you doing? CliffwalkerX here, and I just want to share with you the purpose of me making these videos. When I started working where I was, my name is CliffwalkerX. I'll explain that to you in a minute. When I first started making these videos, I couldn't remember everything I did. I had such a huge workload. You know, I had all kinds of stuff to do, and I didn't know how to do it. I was given a task, and they said, "Get it done." Nobody knew how to do it. No one could help me out, so I just figured it out. Vast majority of everything that I do in here, I figured out on my own. I made a video so I wouldn't forget. I'm uploading these for whoever's benefit. If you get something out of them, fantastic. Okay. CliffwalkerX, I got the name because I used to do a lot of hiking, and we didn't always find the trail. The trails were very, very poorly marked, and the trails weren't big. You couldn't drive a car down them. You could barely walk down them. It was one foot in front of the other, and I had my share of crazy hikes, and they always ended up on the side of a cliff. And I survived it. I had quite a few falls, but I survived it. So the name CliffwalkerX stuck. That's what I use. Is my tag pseudonym. So I do have a lot of tags in the GIS that I do. CliffwalkerX. That's how you can find it if you use ESRI. It's a fantastic program. Go easy on me, like I said in the comments. I am still a noob, but I'm glad to share my knowledge. If you get knowledge out of it, if you don't, I'm sorry you wasted your time. Y'all be good. Thank you for watching. Peace out.